Can you just show us what's happening first, though? Because I need to see this. What's happened, Damon?
He's been fucking handcuffed.
I don't believe it.
But John,
just watch you don't cut him, that's all.
I'm trying to find, well, something to fucking stick over his hand just in case it slips.
You'll be alright, man.
Oh, wait, alright.
I can't believe you've done this, like.
I think I'll chop the leg.
We are, I'll cut it, man. Alright, keep going, keep going.
Which doesn't slip.
I know.
Is he going to replace it?
It's replaced it. Damon, I get the pliers.
What's stuck round your wrists again, Damon?
Dog chain.
A dog chain. Please do not try this at home. Oh, it's... Do you want to stick...
It's just I got the solo so I can get his fucking hand out from it, Jim.
Take. Hey! Absolutely brilliant.
What's he putting a fucking dog chain on your wrist?